If your timeline in Premiere Pro is getting cluttered with markers, or you just want to start fresh, this video will show you exactly how to clear all markers quickly and safely. We're going to cover both sequence markers on the timeline and clip markers on individual clips, so no matter what kind of marker you're dealing with, you'll know the fastest way to remove them. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about sequence markers. These are the markers placed on your timeline ruler at the top of the sequence. If you want to remove all of those at once, there's a very fast shortcut you can use. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and M together. On Mac, press Option, Alt, Shift, and M. That shortcut is designed to clear all sequence markers from the active timeline. So if you've got lots of notes, edits, or timing markers sitting there, this is the quickest way to wipe them all out. Now, if you prefer doing it manually, that works too. Go to the timeline ruler, which is the timecode strip at the top of your sequence, right-click anywhere on that ruler, and from the menu, choose Clear All Markers. As soon as you click it, Premiere Pro will remove every marker from that sequence. This is a great option if you don't want to remember the keyboard shortcut, or if you simply want to double-check that you're clearing the correct timeline. Next, let's move on to clip markers. These are different from sequence markers because they live on individual clips, not on the main timeline ruler. If you've marked specific footage for editing, syncing, or review, you may want to clear those too. To do that, first highlight the clip or multiple clips in your timeline. You can select one clip if you only want to remove markers from a single piece of footage, or select several clips if you want to clean up multiple assets at once. Once the clips are selected, right-click on one of the highlighted clips and go to Markers. Then choose Clear All Markers. That command will remove the markers from the selected clip or clips only. It won't affect the rest of your sequence, which makes it really useful when you want to clean up just part of a project without touching everything else. A helpful thing to remember is that sequence markers and clip markers are managed separately. So if you clear the markers from the timeline ruler but still see markers on your clips, that usually means the clip markers are still there. In that case, just use the clip marker method we covered a moment ago. And if you only clear clip markers, your sequence markers may still remain on the timeline. Knowing the difference can save you a lot of confusion when you're working on a busy edit. If you're doing a final cleanup before exporting, this is a really smart step to include in your workflow. It helps keep your project organized and prevents old review notes or timing markers from being left behind. Whether you're editing for YouTube, client work, short-form content, or a full video project, clearing markers can make your timeline much easier to read. So to recap, if you want to clear all sequence markers in Premiere Pro, use Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and M on Windows or Option, Alt, Shift, and M on Mac. If you want to do it manually, right-click the timeline ruler and select Clear All Markers. And if you need to remove clip markers, select the clip, right-click, then go to Markers and Clear All Markers. If this video saved you time, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Premiere Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.